channel Learn Cooking. Welcome with my followers. Today I'm going to prepare rice in the oven. I have a kilo of rice with a kilo of milk. To prepare the rice in the oven you need milk and the rice. I wash this rice well with water to be clean like this. First of all, I melt the salt in the milk. For a kilo of rice, I put a tablespoon of salt. I melt it in the milk. I put this rice in a pottery pot like this. I preheat the oven now over 240 degrees on a high flame. I put the rice in the pottery pot. You can do it in a tray, in aluminum tray, in any other tray. You can prepare this rice in the oven. You shouldn't fold this with rice. You should leave some space. As you can see, I leave some space. I put the rice for half of this pot. Now I add the milk with the salt. I can add a little of water. Just a cup of water to complete it. I cover the rice. You can see the rice is covered with milk. I add 1 tablespoon of butter. Like this. With 1 tablespoon of corn oil. I add 1 tablespoon of corn oil. Mix of them. Now I put it in the oven now for about 20 minutes until the rice absorbs the milk and dry it. Then I make the fire low and cover it. I cover it in the oven after it dried and make the fire low for 30 minutes. The rice is ready now. After the rice absorbs the milk and dry, I cover it and stir them. I stir the rice to be well done. I make it in the oven. It takes about, after it dried, it takes about 30 minutes to be well done. I'm going to cook chicken and chicken thigh and chicken livers with potatoes. I clean these livers of chicken and thigh of chicken. I clean them well with lemon and water and salt and clean them well. I have green pepper, onion, tomato sauce, potato, salt, black pepper and bay leaves. I have a tray. In this tray I put all the ingredients together. I put chicken thigh, like this. Next I put the liver of chicken with them. I add potato. Next I add onions. I cut onions into slices, chopped onions, like this. Then I add green pepper. Then I add tomato sauce. In the channel you can see how to do the tomato sauce. It's easy and simple way to do it. Then I add the spices, salt, black pepper and bay leaves. I leave the chicken in this marinade for about 1 hour. I put this tray in the fridge for 1 hour. Then I put them on the fire. I make this from all sides, like this. After 1 hour I come again. After 1 hour I put a cup of water. Now I put them on the fire. It takes about 1 hour on the fire. After it becomes well done, I put them in the oven to have golden color. Now I turn off the cooker to put them on the fire. I cover the tray, then I let them on the fire. This is the tray of a chicken with potato eggs, and it's a very nice and delicious recipe. You can eat it with rice, with white rice, or with pasta, tomato pasta. It's very nice and easy to do. If you like this recipe, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. I hope you try doing this recipe and write your opinion to me.